Dance. Okay, come here. Try it again. Good job, Ava. Yay. Oh. You're silly. What? Uh-oh. Yeah, Mommy didn't have that tightened, did she? Uh-oh. Let's close it. I know what you're gonna do. Uh-huh. Your pants are a little bit big. Mm-hmm. Are you silly? Careful. Ava. You gonna get down? Careful. Careful. I have your phone. Say phone. Can you say phone?